another cooking vlog. Ayan, we're making a baked potato and fried potato. First, we steam the potato together with the chicken. And after that, hanggat mainit, i-mash natin ang potato kasi mas madali siyang i-mash pag mainit pa. Yan, madali siya. And after that, we put all the pampalasa. The salt, the pepper, and the paprika. And next is milk. Lagyan natin ng milk kasi nagiging bubbly yung potato. Because of the milk, kailangan natin siyang i-mash thoroughly. Then after that, habang mainit, lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter. Yan, masarap. Kasi nakakapaglagay din siya ng lasa. For the potato, mashed potato. And we make the 3 viands for 1 ingredients. Make mashed potato. Separate natin yan. Then, for the baking and the frying, we put the vegetable. Yung ating inilagay is flour. 1 teaspoon. 1 cup. And the grind vegetable. Pagsamasamahin natin, ayaw matanggal. Ayan. Kumuha ng spatula at ilagay. I-mix all together. Yan. Then, after mixing, maglagay tayo ng 2 itlog. Yeah, mix thoroughly. After mixing, maglagay tayo ng 2 itlog. Ayan. Egg. Mix all together. Mix all together thoroughly. Maigi. Yan. Mix. Then we put the steamed chicken. Mix all together. And let it fry half of it. Ayan. Ipinrito natin siya. Hindi ako masyadong naglalagay ng mantika kasi mantika is good for the body. It's cholesterol. Kaya konti lang ang nilalagay ko mantika. Every time na magprito ako, talagang konti lang. At mag-isa, konti lang talaga ang mantika. Kasi meron na rin siyang butter. And after that, we're preparing for the baking. Lagyan natin ng oil yung mga lalagyanan ng muffin cup. Oil. Ayan, tumalsik pa. Ayan. Tumalon. And after that, ayan, arrange it. And we bake that for 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Matagal din palang magluto ng baked potato. Ganyan siya. And that's our fried potato. Look at that. Kaya lang huwag parating potato kasi it's also a cholesterol. And after that, this is the result of baking. Ayan siya, para siyang muffin. Muffin potato, baked potato. And that's the preparation. Put it in the oven. My baked potato. It's all for today. Bye. See you next time.